Highlight features of Perlite Dehumidifier Pint Dehumidifier Portable Electric Mini Dehumidifier for Bathroom with Round LCD. Stylish round LCD with temperature display, humidity display, defrosting, dehumidifying, ionizer and tank full icons. Easy to operate. The dehumidifier has a one-touch switch button and is equipped with a detachable 68.32 ounces 2L large capacity transparent water tank. Efficient dehumidification, automatic temperature measurement and defrosting function. Noise reduction silence technology. Small dehumidifiers are dehumidified by semiconductor refrigeration, without compressor refrigeration technology, without noise or obvious vibration. Water full automatic warning, water full automatic alarm and stop. Do not worry about water overflow.